Hey, how's it going? It's Heather with Papers, Caffeine and Life. Grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, get some cool paper, and let's get busy. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a part of Junk Journal July, and it's going to be a combination of a whole bunch of days because I missed a bunch. So it's going to be from July 11th through July 16th. So we have stamps, packaging, lights, weather, homemade, and petal. So what I decided to do is I decided to take some Amazon packaging and I ripped it apart. This is actually the ones with the, it's kind of cushy inside with like the bubbles. So I just decided to make my own background paper, which I've been toying with the idea of wanting to try it. And I actually think at the very end, it turned out really, really cute. And I even just hand doodled some flowers and things. That's where the petals come in. And I mean, it's not the best. I'm not the best drawer in the world. I will never say that I am, but it actually turned out really, really cute, I think, with all the different stamping and the different colors. And it's very light and I really, really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's actually a super short video and it's kind of sped up a little bit, but I just wanted to kind of get it out there and, you know, let you guys know that I didn't forget about it. I've just kind of been off the last couple days. So here's my video for Junk Journal July, day 11 through day 16. So now I'm just going to put some music on and you guys can enjoy. Talk to you soon. Bye.